Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to disable Google notifications on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you just have to open the settings applications first. And now in the settings page, you just have to scroll it down until we'll find the app options here guys. Here I'm gonna scroll it down until we'll find here the apps option that I'm in. I'm gonna tap on it, and after here you just have to choose the application that you wanna remove or disable the notifications. Here I'm gonna tap on see all 68 apps, and there will be notifications on my phone. If you want to turn off or remove the notifications from Google, you just have to search the Google options like this. Now tap on it. And after here, we'll see the notification option. Tap on it. You just have to turn off the button beside the Google notifications, yeah guys. So on my phone, there are no notifications again from Google. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.